Hi, I'm Dear Friends. This is Photoshop, and let's see how to create the candle flame animation in Photoshop to make candle to burn. Okay, I downloaded the image with the candle, and what I will do, I will create Ctrl G, maybe 2 copies of this image, and let's go to the first one. First one I'm not changing. Let's go to the second layer. Okay, I'm finding filter and liquify filter. Forward warp 2 is chosen, and let us change our flame. So I'm going to brush tool options and changing the size of the brush, like it to be so big as to cover our flame. I think this is okay. Okay, left click of my mouse, and after that changing a little bit my flame, not much maybe to look realistic. Okay, and click on OK. You see, like it will be. Okay, now I'll do one more copy, Ctrl G. Next thing I want to do is to change a little bit the flame. It's like I'm choosing the brush tool and I'm changing the size of the brush, like to cover flame. A bit more. Yeah, like that is good. And I'm changing the mode to linear light, and opacity it will be something like 13 something, and smoothing maybe 15. Okay, and choosing the color of my flame. It's okay, and left click of the mouse, do something like this. I think it's nice. And I'll go back to the very first layer and do the same, even like that. I think it's good. Okay, now let's continue. So this is the third layer. I will change the color. Maybe this is too much. Yeah, and go to filter, liquify, and everything is set up. Let's change the shape. No, do it a little bit like this firstly. Okay, Ctrl G and continuing. Filter, liquify, change the shape. Okay. Now I will go to the copy of the very first layer and do the same. Filter, liquify. In order the blur is not be too big. I think maybe it's enough. Okay, so let's do the animation. Window, timeline, and we have to choose create frame animation. I'm on the very first layer and making all other layers invisible. Okay, clicking here. This is our very first frame. Okay, let's add another one. That will be the second one. Okay, the third one, fifth one, and one more, and let's do something like that. Let's see now. I think it's good, but it's too fast. So let us choose all of the frames. I'm choosing first frame and the last one. All of them are chosen. And click on this arrow and changing the duration of the frames for 0.1 second. Let's see now. I think maybe even slower. It has to be even slower. The first one, the last one, holding shift, last one, and for 0.2 seconds. Okay, I think it's better, something like this. Okay, and save your animation. Looping option is selected, so it will be like forever, and save export, save for web. Okay, and here GIF is chosen, it's okay. looping options. It's chosen, not once but forever, and save. You're choosing the place what it will be, candle, okay. The name, and that's it, you have your GIF animation. Let's find it. I think it works. Okay, thank you. Bye.